Let me show you how you can write down cubic meters in Excel. Simply write down M3, and now we need to turn this number 3 into Superscript. So select that, right click, and search for Format Cells. It should give you this pop-up. From here we can select Superscript. This will move the text up. There's also Subscript in case you need this. Alright, so let's go to the Superscript, click OK, and you will see that this number 3 is now superscripted and it looks like cubic meters. As you can guess, we could do it with anything we want. So if you got square meters like M2, it's exactly the same process. So you select that, right click, Format Cells, wait a moment for this pop-up box, and there's a Superscript checkbox. OK, and done. Good news is, if you got one already finished, you can just copy, Command C in my case, and then just paste, Command V or Control V. And this way you don't need to do it every single time. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.